more allowed in here. Trying to open this damn lollipop. Trying to deal with the pain of losing you. Junior! Oh my God! See?
I'm not even gonna kiss him.
Getting dressed, getting with the cigarettes. I don't know if I should do it. Didn't say nothing, didn't worry. All the words that I say, I can see that's okay. What hurts the most is being so close. Having too much to say. Junior is fucking gay.
I did not feel good.
That fucking his brown hole is not what I wanted to do. I can't get this damn thing open still.
Lauren, I'm in love with your friend. And I know when I'm sober, I'm pretty embarrassed to tell her, but Savannah, secretly I'm in love with you. And I think you're really hot. You have the fucking nicest what's it, Alicia Keys ass I think I've ever seen in my life in person. So, yo, me and Lauren ever break up, and you see this video, we need to get together. We're not drunk, of course. Is that okay?
What?
Is that cool with you? If you ever break up, can I holler at her? Fuck off. I don't like me anyway. I'm not 100% redneck.
She doesn't just.
Quad. I hang out in West Town. I fish. I own a pickup truck, but I didn't go to Leonard Skinner's, so I'm fucking out.
Why did they get so loud?
No, this is mine.